Hamamelis hybrids. The Witch-Hazel trees. There's all different kinds of hybrids of this tree. They're all zones 5 to 8, 10 to 20 feet in height. So these are small trees. These are not big. Use them as a focal point in your, or an accent in your landscape. They have winter blooms. They bloom, all of these different hybrids bloom anywhere from January through March.
Nice.
I mean, there's different ones that bloom at different times, but some of them will start in January. And it'll also depend on where you live, is where they might start blooming a little bit earlier or a little bit later. But I mean, winter blooms, you can't beat that. And of course, it does have some nice coarse green foliage, which is going to be different from a lot of the other plants. So it makes a statement in the summertime too. So it's a very nice tree and should be considered.
Okay.
And likes full sun to part shade and well-drained soil.
Well-drained soil. A pattern there. Okay.
It's a pattern, and if you don't have a well-drained area, if you'll just try to plant it a little bit higher and mound up around it, that might help it be well-drained.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.